Hi there, and thanks for tuning in. Today, we're going to walk you through a quick and simple guide on how to set a social network in the Roblox app using your Android phone. Whether you want to add Twitter or another network, this tutorial will make the process easy and clear. First, open the Roblox app on your Android device. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the More option. Then, from the menu that appears, select Settings. After that, choose Account Info from the list of available options. Now, scroll down the page until you find the Social Network section. Here, you can add the social media link of your choice, such as your YouTube or Facebook account. Once done, and tap the Save button to make sure your information is stored. And that's it. You've successfully added a social network to your Roblox account on Android. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out our other tutorials for more Roblox tips. Make sure to subscribe and stay updated with our latest videos.